Hey there! Welcome back to my channel, where we make complex words simple to pronounce with its meaning. Today's word is proprioception. It's a fascinating term, and I'll guide you step by step to get it right. A lot of people struggle with this one and might say it as proprioception or proprioception. But don't worry, I'll show you the correct way to say it. The correct pronunciation is proprioception. Let's break it down. First part, pro, like pro in professional. Second part, pre-o. Say it smoothly as one syllable, pre-o. Third part, seption, sep like step and shun like function. When you put it all together, proprioception. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Proprioception. Now let's say it slowly. Proprioception. Now faster. Proprioception. You're nailing it. Proprioception refers to your body's ability to sense its position and movement in space without relying on your vision. For example, it's what helps you touch your nose with your eyes closed or maintain balance while walking. It's sometimes called the sixth sense because it's crucial for coordination and movement. Awesome job! Now you can confidently say proprioception and impress your friends with what it means. If you enjoyed learning this word, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone who loves learning new terms. Drop a comment below to let me know which tricky word you'd like to learn next. See you next time.